Appointed Booking Platform Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of the Appointed Booking Platform. For those interested in exploring it further, we've added links to the platform in the description below. Appointed is a versatile and highly customizable online scheduling solution designed for businesses of all sizes, from solo entrepreneurs to enterprises. It's particularly well suited for industries like retail, professional services, events, and even co-working spaces. After testing it thoroughly, here's our take on its features and overall experience. One of Appointed's standout features is its flexibility. It allows businesses to manage bookings across multiple time zones seamlessly, making it an excellent choice for organizations with a global clientele. The platform supports unlimited users and calendars, which means you can scale your scheduling system as your team grows. Setting up your account is straightforward, and the customizable booking pages let you maintain brand consistency by adding logos, colors, and specific business details. Customers can book appointments directly from your website, email, or social media channels, thanks to easy integration options. Appointed also includes a powerful automation system. Automatic reminders and notifications reduce no-shows, and you can set up recurring bookings for long-term clients. For businesses that require detailed scheduling, the platform lets you offer bookings by duration, service, or resource, providing tailored options for your customers. Payments are another strong feature. Appointed integrates with popular payment gateways like Stripe, allowing businesses to take deposits or full payments up front. This not only simplifies payment processing, but also reduces the risk of late cancellations. For those who rely on analytics, Appointed provides insightful reporting tools that help track bookings, revenue, and customer trends. This data can be invaluable for optimizing your business strategy and operations. Overall, Appointed stands out for its ease of use, customization, and scalability. It's an ideal platform for businesses looking to streamline scheduling while offering a polished and professional customer experience. If you're searching for a reliable and feature-rich booking solution, Appointed is definitely worth considering. Check the links in the description to learn more and get started.